Flash flooding continued on Ellis Avenue and spread down John R. Lynch Street, cutting off businesses and schools. The district plus parents were on high alert. The creek, which runs right below, grew so high water pushed over the bridge, cutting off the street and trapping drivers. 12 News' Alex Love has more.
What's usually a calm creek going unnoticed below the city streets suddenly engulfed the roads above it, sending cars underwater.
If you go down Ellis Avenue, turn around. Just turn around, because you can't go down Ellis Avenue. Ellis Avenue is totally flooded.
Eventually, the city put up roadblocks to alter traffic, but some drivers already got themselves caught in the deep waters, leading volunteers to get them out of their cars and firefighters boating out to rescue everyone.
It's dangerous to cross it, so if you don't need to be out here, don't come.
The overflow of rain runoff continued up the street next to the Save-A-Lot, allowing water to take over this part of Ellis Avenue and turn parking lots into ponds, forcing businesses to resort to using sandbags and close down for the day early. This same flash flood eventually found its way to the campus of Jim Hill High and Isabel Elementary School, trapping students and staff inside.
It's scary because you cannot come and get them, but they say they have boats to come and get them, so that's pretty happy.
They shouldn't have had them kids at school today with this type of stuff going on. See, that's the problem. They should have left them kids alone and let them stay at home today. But we don't have control over the weather.
At the flood's height, Isabel Elementary had water backing up to its front doors. The students and staff had to be evacuated and relocated to Blackburn Middle for the remainder of the day. Meanwhile, Jim Hill never saw flooding inside the building, but some anxious parents took it upon themselves walking through the flood to get their kids out of school early.
I ain't worrying about the water, man. My child come first in my life. Don't nothing else matter. My child come first. We're gonna follow the pipeline. It's nothing to get wet. It's a little water. It's not gonna hurt us. But I'm gonna get my kids about it.
Neighbors and students tell us flash flooding is a common scene outside the school in these weather conditions. They've learned to think positive through it.
Mostly I was just thinking that I wanted to go swimming.
As for the school day tomorrow, Isabel Elementary will operate out of Blackburn Middle School. Buses will transport kids from their usual stops to the campus at 7 a.m. and 7:45 a.m. Jim Hill students and staff who commute will have to park at the Metro Center shopping complex before being bused to school.